Okay, this is going to be a little bit awkward. It's not Star Wars, but we're shooting a line down here. We want to get the drive train straight first, and then we'll worry about the drive shaft angle. But you can see right here that differential is a little bit off, and we can adjust the front of it. It pivots at the back, so we can move the front up and left and right. Now we go up to the transmission, and we can see here that with the laser, we have to move the transmission over to line up with that laser. Now, the green is on the left, and on the crank, you'll see that the green is slightly on the right. So what we're going to do, it pivots on the motor mounts. Those motor mounts have to be loosened. So that's what we're going to do. I know this is a bit odd, a little bit crazy, and this takes several tries, because I'm going to be lifting the tranny up a little bit to take the weight off of the mount. So then I can move it over slightly, then bring it back down off the stand, and then I can go ahead and take a reading again. Once I get this one all lined up really well, the transmission to crank front of the engine, then I'll concentrate on the differential and lining that up with everything. So that is one aspect of it, but what I need to do is then adjust the height of the transmission area there, and then also the height of the differential. So we have to get that angle right. Luckily, I have a factory blueprint. Okay, another kind of wild thing, but you can see that I have a laser pointer. I've got the reference there, the back of the differential. So where that mounts onto the frame, there's a line, and you can see right now that, hopefully you can see, but it is on the money there. And then right here, it's right there. And then we have the front of the crank where the pulley is, and it's on there. So finally, this takes some patience. Okay, so now with that, we're gonna then cinch down the engine and tranny, make sure everything stays in alignment, and then I'll do the okay, so we have the engine transmission lined up, and now we're going for the differential, and you can sort of see how it kind of glows a bit. And then if you can look down at the end, that one is pretty much in line too. It's doing a little wiggle. All right, getting there. It takes a while.